Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Make a love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. All right. Thanks for always watching and supporting this channel. Our lesson for today is how to add and subtract rational algebraic expressions with different denominators. And this is your teacher, Marifa Adonis, for Mathematics 8, Week 4. Okay, so we have adding and subtracting rational expressions. And our goal one is to determine the LCD of the polynomials. And our goal two is add and subtract rational expressions. Now, what is the least common denominator? Fractions require you to find the least common multiple in order to add and subtract them. Okay, so we have here 3/4 plus 2/3. Now, if we're going to get the LCD, no, of its given numbers, okay, so we have 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3, we have 9, okay, correct? And 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, and then, so the LCD is 12. Find the equivalent fraction using the LCD. Then collect the numerators keeping the LCD. So we have here 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 over 12. And so this is your final answer. Okay, we can express it also into a lowest term. Okay, all right. So remember when we adding or subtracting fractions, you need a common denominator. Now, for example, for 3/5 plus 1/5, the answer is 4/5. So what we do is we just add the numerator and copy the denominator. That's why we get 4/5. Then for letter B, we have, since we have here the same, no, so all different denominators, we need to find the LCD, which is 6. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 is equals to, so we manipulate it one by one. So before here, we have 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 2, that's 4. 4, uh, so 4 is 6 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1, 3 over 6. So that's why we got 1/6. Okay. So when multiplying or dividing fractions, you don't need a common denominator. Okay. But in addition and subtraction, we really need to find the common denominator. Okay. So here, for example, for this is multiplying and dividing, so 1/2. Okay, 1/2 over 3/4. Okay, so this will become 1/2 times 4 over 3. We just get the reciprocal. This is like we did in your previous one. So we have 1 times 4 is 4, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Or you can express that into lowest term as a 2/3. Okay, all right. So here are the steps for adding and subtracting rational expression. First, factor if necessary. Number 2, cancel common factors if possible. And 3, look at the denominator. Now, if the denominators are the same, add or subtract the numerators and place the result over the common denominator. If the denominators are different, find the LCD. Change the expressions according to the LCD and add or subtract numerators. So place the result over the common denominator. And for number 4, reduce if possible. And number 5, leave the denominators in factored form. Okay. Now, let's have an example. Okay. Is the denominator the same? Example number, we have 2 over 2 and 3, 2 over 3x plus 5 over 3x. So their LCD is 6x. Okay. Now, rewrite the expression using the LCD 6x. Okay, so we have here um, so we had that is equal to so 3 over 3, so we need to cancel this one, no? So we got simplify, that would be okay. we can also multiply it directly, so that's 2 times 2, 4. Okay, and then so forth. This we have now the same denominator, and then other fractions 4 plus 15. Okay, what do we do here? So here we can use the butterfly method. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, then 3 times 3 is 15. Okay, the common is 6, so other fractions we have 19, so 19 over 6x. Okay, so 6x, or no, we can divide directly, like 2 3x plus 5 plus 5 over 2x. No, we can divide it by 6x. So 60x divided by 3x, 2 times 2, 4. Okay, plus 6x divided by 2x is 3. 3 times 5, 15. Okay, so that's why we get this. Okay. Next, so let's have examples. We have 3x. Okay, so we have here, we have common factor, which is x minus 4. So all you have to do is copy, and then copy also 3x plus 6. Okay, so then we can, since the factor or the common factor of 3 and x is 3, we have x plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So over x minus 4. Okay, so this is easy. Next, let's have another example. So let's simplify. Okay, so we have here 3 over x plus 2 and minus 8 over x minus 2. Okay, this one is slightly difficult. Of course, the LCD is the x plus 2 and x minus 2. That's the LCD. And then we multiply, or we multiply both sides. So we have here x minus 2 and then x plus 2. And then simplify. So we got 3 times x, no? So 3 times x, okay, 3 times x and 3 minus, so that's why we have 2, and this copy the two denominators minus, okay, 8 times x and 8 times, so we got 8, 16. Then 3x minus 6 minus 8x plus 16 over the LCD or the common denominators. So the final answer, we have 6x minus x minus 8x minus 16. All right, so we have negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5, and negative 6 plus negative 16 is to negative 22. So this is your final answer. Okay, let's have another. Okay, so we can do it. No? Of course, our LCD is x plus 3 and x minus 1, or x plus 1. So if we're going to divide it x plus 3 and x the 1, we can cancel x plus 3. So we have 2 times x plus 1 plus, okay, x plus 3 and x plus 1. Okay, so if we are going to divide this, what remain is x plus 3. So it's just like you're canceling, but actually you're dividing. Then do the uh, distributive property. So we have 2x plus 2 plus 3x plus 3 plus 9. Copy the common denominator, which is x plus 3 and x plus 1. So we have 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x. Then 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. So we have x plus 3, then x plus 1. Okay. Yan. Okay. Next. Okay, so you can do this in your own practice. Please just try to factor this first, no? And then also this, and in order to get the common denominator. Okay, so hint, the denominator is something with x plus 3 plus x minus 3. That's a common denominator, okay? Okay, so for questions and clarifications, please leave your comment at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And goodbye, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and my students and also their parents and also my teams, Team Solid Family, Team White is International, and everyone. Love you all. Bye-bye.